Hello friends, today's lesson is number 90. The title of the lesson is Tourist Places in India. But first, let's practice some signs from lesson number 84 on social media. And then we will go on to learning new signs for touristic destinations in India. Social media. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, Google, video chat or video conferencing. Let us now learn signs for various tourist places in India. Agra, A. Agra, Jaipur, sign and J. Jaipur, Lucknow with an L. Lucknow, Varanasi with a V. Varanasi, Mysuru. Mysuru, Amritsar with an A. Amritsar, Kanyakumari, Kanyakumari, Bhubaneshwar, BSR, Bhubaneswar, Puducherry, PY, Puducherry, Udaipur with an U, Udaipur. Let us revise once again signs for all these beautiful places that we can visit. Agra, Jaipur, Lucknow, Varanasi, Mysuru, Amritsar, Kanyakumari, Bhubaneshwar, Puducherry, Udaipur. Friends, all of you see that we are at lesson number 90, right? That means we are going to be at lesson number 100 very soon. We are just 10 lessons away from reaching the 100 mark. We request you all for your support to subscribe to our channel, to our videos, share them with your friends, and continue to be happy learning and revising. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.